got back from Moultrie and I figured out my car's name. I should have done this in the stripe in the back.
Pull the
plastic
back so you can really see your color.
Oh, pull that back?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's close or not. I just, when I saw it sitting here next to my car, I thought, oh, that could have been my car's name, or it should be. Yeah, look at that. That would have looked cool.
Does that match the color pretty close?
Oh man, really close. So that makes the car. That's what I'm gonna name it.
Your car's Cherry Bomb, huh?
It's the Cherry Bomb Charger.
We're gonna hang that puppy up in the garage.
I gotta find some smaller stickers of this and put them like on the frame rails or something. I think that's cool.
One thing that we did buy while we were at Moultrie.
Oh, this is the tail end of that video because I've just about got it rendered. So what are you thinking?
Over here, you can come around. Thanks to Brian. Brian's Mopars.
Oh yeah, Brian's Classic Mopar Parts.
Yep. This.
It made it here safe.
Because, good golly.
It's heavy and it's sandwiched.
No, it's like it locked.
Yeah, it's sandwiched on there.
Here's the old roof, which you can see it was never installed. It came with the car.
Yeah,
it's all dented in because a tree fell, a branch fell on it.
Yeah, a hurricane came through and blew our neighbor's tree on. So, we may have recorded that for
I don't know.
Your other Daytona tribute, which is this car.
Yeah.
And that's the reason why it's sitting in here now.
That's the 70, but it's full of parts for Chris's car, interior, carpet, back there, and my part. There's my nose.
There's your nose.
My front.
Stop picking your nose.
My lower valance. So, slowly these parts will disappear.
Yep. Cool. Well, I didn't know that when I saw... Maybe that's partly why, subliminally, centrifugally, when I saw that Cherry Bomb, I was just attracted to it. What a cool little sign for 15 bucks. But yeah, that's almost my exact color scheme.
I know it. Yeah, it's just a little cheap repop.
Yeah, I like it though.
Yeah, it's cool.
I've got to do that somewhere on the car that can be seen. So
make a cricket cut and put it in one of your side windows.
Oh, I could do both quarter windows.
Yeah,
with the Cherry Bomb on them.
You could reverse it and have it.
Yeah, I can do all that.
That's be the left side.
All right, I'll take a picture of that, take it in, do a cricket, do some design work, and Cherry Bomb it up.
Cherry Bomb it up.
Hey, thanks again for everybody watching our Moultrie video. This is the end of a long video. I think I left it all in, so it's close to 3 hours. Anything you have to say about Moultrie the next day? What you thought?
I thought it was probably the most packed one we've ever been to. It was from fence to fence, out to the grass. Every aisle had clear out into the grass for swap meet.
We got to figure out scooters. Today's Saturday. We got to figure out scooters for next week. So we need to order batteries or do something.
Yeah.
See what the factory batteries are for the Euro scooters because we killed both of these guys.
Yeah, they didn't make it all the way through. I mean, we 3 or 4 hours and they were done.
Yep.
So, and they weren't that way when we first got them. And they were only a year and a half old. We've only been to maybe three swap meets. It should last longer
probably like 5, but still, yeah.
I guess we could just pop for the biggest amp hour that they make.
Yeah.
And that should do it.
Euro scooter, do the right thing. Just ship us 2 new scooters. We'll ride around with your stickers. We'll be good.
Euro, is that what it is? Euro scooter?
Yeah, they're Euro scooters. So.
And my seat fell apart. This is the top of the post. And you can see it was getting squirrely and it just broke. I fell off, fell back.
Yeah, you're lucky I'm not suing your scooter for their whole livelihoods because my father broke his back.
The only thing that wouldn't bend, I mean, PVC conduit, which is the right, not quite
That's not
the right
PVC,
size.
that's galvanized.
Yeah, I mean
still.
galvanized, not I don't know why I said PVC.
You're not sitting on PVC for very long.
No, you wouldn't be.
That doesn't go in there. What are you trying to do?
I was just going to throw it over.
You're losing our viewers right now. They're saying, what the hell's going on?
This is the end of a
tire iron.
And it came around with the lug, to take your lug nuts off.
Yeah, it's called a tire iron.
Yeah, that's the only thing that I knew could go down in here. That used to be a hydraulic, which there's the hydraulic part of it. That wasn't working. So, but now it's
I know.
Yankee.
Stop janky fixing it. Let's do it right.
I'm not going to bend it, so. And I looked online. I didn't really see any, like just to buy the shaft for it.
Okay.
But yeah, something's wrong with our batteries. We got to fix it up.
All right, you're a scooter. Like I said, you know what you need to do. Just do it. Email me Clarksplace at Yahoo. I'll send you my address, and then you can do what's right.
2 new scooters, top of the line 20.
Don't tell them that they need to figure that out on their own. You don't tell people. It's better that they learn and figure it out on their own. Then they really know what to do for the next time. Cherry bomb.
You can make up some little stickers.
All right, so we'll tell about the ride home. Pop's idea of cherry bomb is what?
Oh, the
John Cougar Melon Baller.
John Cougar Mellencamp song. You know, dancing outside the
bar,
cherry bomb. Cherry bomb.
And mine is the Runaways from Guardians of the Galaxy. That's where I know the song Cherry Bomb from. And from a long time ago, I've heard the song. Yeah. But Pops seems to think that the Runaways Cherry Bomb is Japanese, Chinese girls all dancing around, playing music. And I'm like, no, it's from the 70s. And John Cougar Melon Ballers from the 80s and 90s. So, who was right?
They're not the same song whatsoever. They just have the same name.
Yeah. You said mine was bubblegum music, the Cherry Bomb from the Runaways. It's not. It's hardcore. And Mr. Melon Baller is true bubblegum. As long as you know it now and you admit it.
Glad it's your opinion.